Are you ready to make some serious cash with YouTube Shorts? Imagine earning $28 million a year just by uploading 8 to 15-second videos. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a YouTube Shorts channel that generates thousands of dollars per month. The best part? You don't need any fancy equipment or editing skills. All you need is your smartphone and a desire to succeed. I'll also show you how to optimize your content for maximum engagement and revenue. You'll learn how to monetize your channel and use analytics to track your progress. By the end of this video, you'll have all the tools you need to make bank with YouTube Shorts. Let's dive in and learn the secrets to success. Hello and welcome to The Money Hustle, where earning money online is made easy. On this channel, we offer the most recent strategies for making money online. As a result, if you find this video to be useful, make sure to subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on so that you may be among the first to watch the latest videos and apply the new and innovative strategies I develop for making money online. As you can clearly see, when you enter the hashtag shorts in the shorts bar, it takes you to the short shelf where you can browse through the vast array of short videos. In just 1 week, the number of videos on this shelf increased from 327 million to 403 million. As you scroll down, you'll come across various niches such as video games, funny videos, and pleasurable videos, among others. You can easily find ones that don't require you to show your face. I have discovered a very lucrative niche by typing in hashtag shorts and adding funny cats. The first short video on this page alone has 9.3 million views, and the next 10 videos are getting millions upon millions of views. They are just 10 seconds long, yet they have achieved such impressive view counts. This niche is effortless to enter, and it's an opportunity you don't want to miss. Now let me dive deeper into how you can make money without even having to create your own videos. This might sound unbelievable, but there is a channel called Panda Shorts that has gained a whopping 6.1 million views, making $2.4 million each month just by uploading short videos. Although this niche is known for having a low CPM or cost per thousand views, you can still make up for it by generating an impressive number of views, thousands, hundreds of thousands, or even millions of views. This is how Panda Shorts is able to make such an incredible amount of money. Moving on, let me show you where you can get hold of videos featuring funny cats without even having to record any footage yourself. Head over to TikTok and check out a page called funnycats_show, which has a collection of videos with millions of views, such as the hilarious funny cat video that boasts 1.7 million views. If you scroll down, you will find more similar videos, including one with 1.5 million views. Once you have picked the most popular video, simply click on it and voila! You will be directed to the video. It's a piece of cake, and trust me, the video is worth watching as it is quite amusing. So here's what we can do to customize and modify a TikTok video and make it our own. First, we need to remove the TikTok watermark, which can't be uploaded to YouTube Shorts. To do that, we'll use a special software called SnapTik. It's easy to use and free. We'll start by copying the link to the TikTok video that we want to use and then pasting it into SnapTik. Then we'll simply click on the green button to remove the watermark. After that, we'll click on the blue button to download the video onto our computer. Once we have the video downloaded, we can use Canva, a free Photoshop software, to modify and edit the video further. Canva is easy to use and has a user-friendly interface. We'll start by creating a blank mobile video canvas in Canva, and then drag and drop the downloaded video onto it. We'll then crop the video to fit the canvas and ensure that it looks visually appealing. To make the video more engaging, we'll add some text and shapes to it using Canva. For example, we could add a white square to the canvas and then add some subheadings to it. We'll make the subheadings bold and eye-catching to attract viewers. One subheading could be, "How funny is this?" And the other one could be, "Rate 1 to 10 and comment on this post." These subheadings will encourage viewers to watch the video, comment on it, and share it with their friends and family. As viewers start commenting on the post, the video will start playing in the background, causing the video duration to increase. When the view duration goes above 100, the video has a higher chance of going viral in the YouTube Shorts algorithm. This means that more people will see the video and it will get more likes, shares, and comments. After you have edited the video using the software called Snaptic and Canva, the next step is to share and download it back to your computer. This is a crucial step because you need to ensure that the edited video is saved on your computer before uploading it to YouTube. You don't want to lose all the hard work you put into editing the video. Once you have downloaded the edited video, the next step is to upload it to YouTube. If you don't already have a YouTube channel, don't worry, setting up a Gmail account is free and easy. Once you have your account set up, click on the Create button and select Upload Video. You can then drag and drop the edited video into the upload box. When naming the video, it's important to include Shorts video and relevant hashtags so that YouTube knows it's a Shorts video. For example, you could name the video "Cat Falls in Snow #Shorts." This will ensure that your video is identified as a Shorts video and is eligible for the YouTube Shorts feature. Next, you can add a description for the video. This is where you can provide more details about the video and include relevant keywords that will help optimize the SEO. It's important to provide a clear and concise description so that viewers know what to expect when watching the video. You can also copy and paste the same hashtags you use in the title into the description. Finally, you can optimize the SEO by adding relevant keywords to the tag section. This will help your video show up in search results when people search for related keywords. For example, if your video is about a funny cat falling in the snow, you could add tags such as "funny cat video," "cat falls in snow," and "funny cats." Once you have filled out all the necessary information, you can click on Next and then Publish. Great job! You did it! Your video is now live and available for the whole world to see on YouTube. This is just the beginning of your journey towards earning loads of money and gaining tons of new fans and subscribers. But here's the exciting part. As your videos gain more views and followers, you'll be able to join the YouTube Partner Program and earn a share of the revenue generated from ads displayed on your videos. So keep creating, keep uploading, and keep engaging with your audience. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great content. Also, leave a comment below and let us know what you thought of this video. Your feedback is important to us and help us create better content. And as always, stay tuned for more exciting videos coming soon.